Have you ever opened a can of paint and noticed that odd groove running around the top, just beneath the lid? You've probably seen it countless times, especially if you've done any DIY home improvement projects or worked in a trade involving painting. It's something so commonplace that we rarely stop to think about it. But that little groove, also known as the chime or channel, actually serves several important purposes that go far beyond aesthetics or tradition. In fact, the groove is a clever design element that ensures functionality, cleanliness, and long-term storage effectiveness. In this video, we're going to dive deep into why paint cans are designed with that distinctive groove around the rim, and you'll walk away with a new appreciation for what might seem like a small, insignificant detail. Let's explore, right here, on History of Simple Things. Let's start with the most obvious reason: sealing and preventing leaks. The groove is a critical part of how the lid fits onto the can. It allows the lid to sit snugly and securely in place, creating a tight seal that keeps air out and paint in. Paint is highly susceptible to drying out when exposed to air, so this design helps maintain the quality and consistency of the paint for future use. That groove allows the lid to be inserted and then slightly compressed, often with a rubber mallet or even by hand pressure, depending on the size and style of the can. When that happens, the lid locks into place and the groove acts as a containment moat, preventing the paint from seeping out during transport or storage. It's all about containment, and that channel helps trap any potential leakage from reaching the outside of the can, especially when it's jostled or tipped slightly. But the groove isn't just a seal, it's also a spill catcher. Have you ever poured paint directly from a can? It's messy business. Even if you have the steadiest hand in the world, there's a good chance some paint is going to dribble down the side. That groove helps catch any excess paint that overflows during pouring or gets accidentally splashed near the edge. This is especially helpful when you're using a brush to dip into the paint or when transferring paint into a tray. Instead of running down the can and creating a mess, excess paint collects in the groove. This makes cleanup easier and reduces waste. And for professional painters or manufacturers, even a small improvement in cleanliness can translate into a better-looking job and less time spent wiping down tools and containers. Now, here's something most people don't realize. The groove plays an important role when it comes to reclosing the can. After you've used the paint, you'll likely want to store it for touch-ups or future use. But if there's dried paint or residue on the rim, getting a good seal can be challenging. The groove helps isolate that dried paint away from the lid's sealing area. Since the lid fits into the inner circle and the groove lies outside that circle, it means dried drips in the groove don't prevent the lid from sealing tightly. In short, it protects the integrity of the reseal. That way, even if some paint gets stuck in the groove, it won't necessarily ruin the entire can or lead to the lid popping off later down the line. That's incredibly important if you're storing paint for months or even years. Another clever purpose of the groove is related to stacking and transportation. In manufacturing and retail settings, paint cans are often stacked on top of one another, either during shipping or while displayed on store shelves. The groove adds structural integrity to the can itself, strengthening the rim so that it can better support the weight of another can resting on top. Without that added ridge, the lid might warp or collapse under pressure. Think of it like a mini architectural support beam built right into the design. Additionally, the groove and lid combo creates a sort of interlocking mechanism when cans are stacked, adding friction and reducing the chance of slippage. It's a small detail, but it plays a big role in how these products are stored and moved. Now let's talk about something a bit more technical: manufacturing efficiency and standardization. The groove allows manufacturers to create a uniform system for both cans and lids. That's important because it means parts can be mass-produced with consistent fits, lowering production costs and ensuring compatibility across brands and product lines. You might have noticed that gallon paint cans, whether you buy them at a home improvement store or a specialty paint shop, tend to have a pretty standardized look and feel. That's intentional. The groove design has become the industry standard because it supports efficient filling, sealing, and even robotic handling in production lines. It's easier to design tools and machinery around a consistent form factor, and the groove contributes to that efficiency. Here's another interesting side note. The groove also helps you open the can more easily. That lip around the edge gives you a perfect spot to insert a flathead screwdriver or a paint can opener. Without that groove, lifting the lid would be much harder and would often involve damaging the lid or the can itself. Because the lid sits just inside that groove, it can be pried up systematically around the perimeter without bending the can or splashing paint everywhere. It's a simple but effective design solution that works well both for professionals and weekend warriors tackling a home improvement job. And if you're wondering whether the groove has changed over time, the answer is yes, but only slightly. Paint can technology has evolved, but the groove has remained a constant because it's so functional. In fact, its continued use is a testament to the idea that sometimes the simplest designs are the most effective. Some modern paint containers, especially plastic ones or pourable jugs, have adapted the groove concept in their own way, adding channels or rims to support better pouring and resealing. But the principle remains the same: containment, usability, and durability. So the next time you open a can of paint, take a second to look at that groove around the rim. It might not seem like much at first glance, but it's a marvel of smart, functional design. From keeping your paint fresh and your work area clean, to helping with stacking, transportation, and easy access, that little groove does a lot of heavy lifting. It's a perfect example of industrial design meeting real-world use. Something that works so well, we hardly even notice it. And now, the next time someone asks you why it's there, you'll know exactly what to say. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.